Pfeiffer Beach, California. Welcome to Pfeiffer Beach, located on the beautiful central coast of California. This stunning beach is known for its breathtaking views, unique purple sand, and picturesque rock formations. Welcome to your travel destination guide channel. Sit back and relax. Enjoy watching. Pfeiffer Beach is famous for its keyhole arch, a natural rock formation that frames the sunset perfectly, creating a stunning photo opportunity. As you step onto the beach, you'll feel the soft sand between your toes and the gentle ocean breeze on your face. The beach is also home to a variety of marine life, including sea otters, harbor seals, and whales, which can often be seen offshore. One of the most unique features of Pfeiffer Beach is its purple sand. This rare phenomenon is caused by the manganese garnet particles that wash up on the shore. Accessibility. The beach is accessible by a narrow, winding road that can be difficult to navigate, especially for larger vehicles. There is a small parking lot available, but it can fill up quickly, especially during peak season. The contrast between the purple sand and the turquoise ocean is truly a sight to behold. Whether you're looking to relax on the beach, take a scenic hike, or explore the tide pools, Pfeiffer Beach offers something for everyone. Pfeiffer Beach is a stunning beach located in the Big Sur region of California's central coast. Location: Pfeiffer Beach is located approximately 7 miles south of the town of Big Sur, along the Pacific Coast Highway, Highway 1. Amenities. There are limited amenities at Pfeiffer Beach, so it's a good idea to bring your own supplies. There are restrooms available, but no food or drink vendors. There are also no lifeguards on duty, so it's important to be aware of the ocean conditions and swim at your own risk. Activities. Pfeiffer Beach offers a variety of activities for visitors. Some of the most popular activities include relaxing on the beach, exploring the tide pools, hiking the nearby trails, and taking in the stunning views of the ocean and rock formations. Wildlife. Pfeiffer Beach is home to a variety of marine life, including sea otters, harbor seals, and whales. Visitors can often see these animals offshore or in the tide pools. Unique features. Pfeiffer Beach is known for its unique purple sand, which is caused by manganese garnet particles that wash up on the shore. The beach is also home to a natural rock formation called the Keyhole Arch, which frames the sunset perfectly, making for a stunning photo opportunity. Pfeiffer Beach is a beautiful beach located in Big Sur, California, known for its stunning views, purple sand, and rock formations. Here are some interesting trivia about Pfeiffer Beach. Pfeiffer Beach is named after John Pfeiffer, who settled in the Big Sur area in the early 1900s. The purple sand on Pfeiffer Beach is caused by the manganese garnet particles that wash up on the shore. The beach is famous for its Keyhole Arch, a natural rock formation that frames the sunset perfectly. Pfeiffer Beach was once a popular spot for hippies in the 1960s, who would gather there for drum circles and bonfires. Hippies were a counterculture movement that emerged in the United States during the mid-1960s. They were a group of people who rejected mainstream values and sought an alternative way of life that emphasized peace, love, and individual freedom. Pfeiffer Beach is one of the few beaches in California that allows visitors to build campfires on the sand. This is a popular activity during the cooler months of the year. The beach is also known for its strong currents and rough surf, which can be dangerous for swimmers. Visitors are advised to exercise caution and stay within designated swimming areas. In addition to its natural beauty, Pfeiffer Beach has been the site of several film and television productions, including the 1990s TV series Twin Peaks. Pfeiffer Beach is located within Pfeiffer Big Sur State Park, which encompasses more than 1,000 acres of forested land and includes several hiking trails and campsites. The beach is also home to a variety of wildlife, including sea otters, harbor seals, and numerous species of birds. Visitors to Pfeiffer Beach can enjoy a variety of recreational activities, including surfing, fishing, kayaking, and beachcombing. If you enjoy this video and have anything in mind for our next travel destination, please suggest or comment down below.